Hi boss, welcome back to Crypto Trader. From now onward, I have decided to change my video format and now I will not analyze any one currency pair in my video, but I will make a video on daily basis on at least top 5 major currency pairs. I was getting a lot of queries actually about making a combined video on all these currency pairs. So this is going to be my first daily Forex forecast video. Let's start the video now. We are in AUD USD currency pair and the time frame is 4H. As you can see, the price is in a very clear uptrend because the price is hiding its lows and extending its highs as well. But here you can see that the price is making almost equal lows and equal highs. So you can say that we are in a range in this time. But the recent price behavior, you can see that the price has broken and closed above this range, which shows the intention of the traders that they want to see the market in upward direction. So to me, this is the right time to find any long position in AUD USD currency pair. Let's go to our second currency pair, which is Euro USD. We are in Euro USD now, and the time frame is 4H here as well. Although the price is in declining phase, as you can see, the price is almost trading in a channel, but we cannot claim it a downward movement because the price is not extending its lows anymore. And we see only one move that created one, two, and three structure. And everything in between two and 3 points is consolidation. So we are in a consolidation phase in Euro USD at the moment. And in the current situation, I see only two trading opportunities. This is the most recent low the price created and holding so far. So so the first option is that let the price come down deep into this zone and look for your possible long opportunity here. And the second option is that if the price breaks and closes below this zone, then wait for the price to come back up and retest this zone as a possible resistance for the price and look for your short opportunity here in this zone. So these are the two possible trading opportunities I see in Euro USD currency pair. Let's go to our third currency pair, which is GBPUSD. Well, GBPUSD is in a very clear range. You can see the price is unable to break this low and this high so far. So if you are a range trader, you can sell if you find the price of GBPUSD at around this resistance level, and you can find a long position once the price reaches this support level. Otherwise, I would suggest let the price break any of these two resistance or support levels and do not plan your trade in GBP USD at the moment. So this is all for GBP USD. Now let's move on to our next currency pair, which is USDJPY. Let me clear my drawing. Well, USD JPY is also in a downtrend. As you can see, the price has completed 1, 2, 3 move and again 2 and 3 move. So There are two options: either the price can go up from where it is trading at the moment, or the price can go down from where it is trading at the moment. These are the only two possibilities we may have ahead. So in this situation, this is our resistance level for the price, and this is our support level for the price. As you know, we are in a downtrend. So if you see the price close to this resistance level, you can look for your possible short trade opportunity here. But if the price breaks and closes above this resistance level, then wait for a pullback into this level and look for your possible long opportunity here. And otherwise, if the price goes down to this support level, then look for your possible long opportunity here at this level. And again, if the price breaks and closes below this level, then wait for the price to come back up to retest this support level as a possible resistance for the price to open your short position here. So I suggest jump into any trade with a proper planning. So this is my plan for USD JPY today. Now let's move on to our next and final currency pair, which is USD CAD. We are in USD CAD at the moment, and this is the 4H time frame, and you can see that the price is in a range, in a very clear range. The price is unable to break this support level for a long period of time and this resistance level for a long period of time. So market is in indecision mode at the moment. If the market is in indecision mode at the moment, then how can I plan my trading opportunity in this currency pair? I would like to go with the market. But if you are a range trader, you may find a short position at this resistance level and long position if you get the price at this support level. But personally, I would like to wait for the price to break and close any of these two levels. Then I would like to plan my trade in USD CAD. This is all for daily Forex forecast today of top 5 major currency pairs including Euro USD, GBP USD, USDJPY, USD CAD and AUD USD. Well, you can do your own research and do not consider it a financial advice. Let me assure you one thing, nobody knows what is market going to do next. Being an experienced trader, we can just try to analyze the market conditions and create best trading opportunities out of it. If you like this video, please do give me a favor and like the video for me as it really helps in YouTube algorithm. And if you want me to make a video on any currency pair or on any topic, please comment below and I will try my best to make a video on that topic at earliest possible. Good luck, happy trading.